Welcome to our fantastic fun escape rooms. The aim of the game is to crack the codes in each room. How are you going to crack the codes? It's very simple. Each room has 4 types of buttons. Each button has a different purpose. The I button is the information button. And that's the first thing you do when you go into the room. You press on the I button in order to learn your new material. The next thing you press on is the spanner button. And this button is the button where you press it, you'll get access to new material that you can practice with a whole lot of games. The next thing you do once you feel you've learned the new material and you've practiced enough is you go to the gaming buttons. This is the fun part of the room because when you press the gaming buttons, not only do you game, but you also get to reveal part of the code which you will need in order to unlock your room and escape to freedom. Just remember that at any time you can go back and learn the new material again and again. You can practice the new material again and again. You can go into the games and enjoy them, and you can then try and unlock the codes. So I remind you, these are the 4 buttons, and I suggest that you do it in the order that was suggested in this video. First go into the information button, then go to the practice button, then go to the gaming button, and in the games, at the end of each game, you will get a part of a code which you will need to break out of the escape room. So the last part of your escape room is pressing this lock, and then you write or you choose the correct code and you escape. Once you escape, you will come back to the main room and you will notice that one of your monsters has gotten a new balloon. So let's have fun. Let's begin. Bye.